Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Apple ID and that you're signed into the App Store on the device you'll use. Once done, open the App Store, tap your profile, then choose Redeem or View Apple ID to see your Apple Store balance. Make sure the country or region for your Apple ID matches the currency of the gift card, otherwise you can't redeem. If you have a physical card, scratch off the code. For emailed codes, copy it to the clipboard before proceeding. Now redeem the code. Tap Redeem, then either enter the code manually or use your device's camera to scan it for speed. After you redeem, the amount posts to your Apple ID balance automatically and appears under payment methods. You can choose this balance for app purchases, subscriptions like Apple Music, and in-app purchases. The store uses it before charging other methods. If an item costs more than your credit, the remaining cost charges your primary payment method. Make sure that card. To finish, select your Apple ID balance at checkout and confirm the purchase. You'll see the deduction in your account history. If the balance doesn't apply, try signing out of the App Store and signing back in, or restart the device to refresh payment data. If a code shows invalid or funds don't appear after redeeming, check the redemption email and your purchase history, then contact Apple support with the code and receipt. Keep screenshots handy to speed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.